This 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 328SB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 12, refrigerator, stovetop burner, LP detector, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, oven, smoke detector, water heater, leveling jacks, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 328SB is 8,043 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.